What's going on, guys? I've got here a 2020 Ford Escape, and I'm using this car to show you how to change your cabin air filter. So we're gonna access this filter behind the glove box here. So go ahead and open the glove box. Now there's a piece that you're gonna have to remove. It's the shock that allows the glove box to open slowly. So you can just squeeze these two tabs together and pull the little shock off. Can't really do that one-handed, so I'm gonna put the phone down briefly to get that done. So I've squeezed those two tabs together. It doesn't take much, and now I can just push that shock off. At this point, what I'll have to do is push the glove box up slightly while I push in on the tabs. So there's one on this side. You can see there's another one on this side. So at this point, the glove box will rotate all the way down. You can just let it rest here on the floor. And you'll need a Phillips screwdriver to remove the two screws. There's one here and one on the other end. Some people like to leave these screws out, but I think it's a good idea to reinstall them to make sure that the door maintains a good seal. And it's behind this door where we will find the cabin air filter. So on the sides, you push the tabs away. Sometimes they will break off just like that. So you push the tabs away, and on the top piece, you just pull it down towards you. And you can see we've got an arrow indicating airflow. The airflow is going downward, so we just pull this out. And when you install your new one, you know, it just goes in, airflow arrow points down, then this snaps back up in position. And you can see, being that the tab broke, I will definitely want to reuse the screw to help hold the door shut. So yeah, that screws back in. And the glove box you just close, and it will relatch automatically. And don't forget to hook your shock back up. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you guys have any questions or any advice about the cabin air filter on your Ford Escape.